Nss Asi Manipur University ki undergraduate program ki value added course ama Oina Tonganba paper ama Haple HAINA Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA na PHONGDOKKHRE Wafam asi Manipur University ki NSS Cell Nasindana Pangthokpa Nomagi oiba NSS Orientation Program Hawdokpagi Thoramda Mahakna PHONGDOKKHIBane Swachhata Program ki saruk ama oina ngasi University asi ki court hall da Pangthokpa Thoram aduga mari leinana University asi ki Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA na hai ngasi pangthokliba thoram asida saruk yaba fangba ase yamna laibak phabane haukiba chahi khara asida NSS Cell ki Tabak thoram sing maning hanbagi fibam ama uba fangba ase aikhoi kopna yengsinba mathau tai NSS amade NYK haiba ase lebaga sigi legacy amane India gi ningtam ihauda naha sing maru oina mahiroi singna lawkiba thodang ado singthaningai ne matam adugi mahiroi sing lebaga si semgat tambokanabada achauba thodang lawkhe masimakna India na ningtamba fanglaba matungda matam adugi lengakna National Service Scheme NSS asida ahenba meeting changduna haurakliba mahiroi singda chawkhatpa lebak ama sagatpada achauba thodang ama lawnaba honarakibane India se malemgi atopa lebak singa changnamnabada naha sing sing khwaidagi yamba leibak ne naha yamna leiba leibak haiba se yamna mapanga leiba leibak ama oiribane masimakta ngasigi lengak asina kumjali singani nifu taret faubada India se developed country ama ohenna ba pideng thamlibane ngasi de leibak asigi anoba education policy ama oiriba NEP 2020 chana bahaukiba asidage mahai masin tambagi lamda achauba ahongba ama laknabagi lambi ama yatle NSS ki thabak thoram sing ase hena kumang chawsanaba university asigi makhada lairiba educational institution chamaga tara mapan khudingmak NSS unit sing hangdokna bokhanaba mathau tai NSS amadi NCC ase university asigi undergraduate program ge value added course oina tonganba paper ama oina haple amaromda university ki makhada chathariba tonganba course sing national curriculum framework ki makhada chathanaba khotnari haita mahakna makhata khe
with the implementation of NEP in our university with effect from 2022-23 academic session. We have come out of the earlier stereotype of education. Now the system is very different. We no longer believe in the, not very useful system of theoretical, not very usable and not very applicable kind of theories and then say rote learning. Earlier, as you know, that there was a very strict compartmentalization of subject combination in the undergraduate programs. Now we have broken down all these very strict compartmentalizations. The system has become very flexible now. The reason for making it flexible is to actually extend and expand the frontier of knowledge. The earlier system, it was a colonial system which we have inherited right from the British days, with marginal upgradations and improvement from one commission to the other. But NEP 2020 is a complete paradigm shift and it's a complete break from the earlier system.
Thauramadu mari lainana MU ge NSS Cell gi program coordinators oiriba University asige Department of Physical Education and Sports Science ki Associate Professor Dr. Laisam Santos na hai NSS ki orientation program pangthokliba asigi maru oiba maramde aikoi masel unaduna amana ama bu sakhang maikhang nabagi tanja ama pinabane program asi swachhata program gi manung chanba ama su oi akoi bagi fibab lu na na thamba khakna tana miyoi bagi pukning wakhal taru tana na thamba mathau tai asigumba wakhalon asina mang thaduna ngasigi program ase pangthokpane NSS asi school college ama di university singi yamna maru oiba co-curriculum activity amane NSS ki spirit ase matam pumnamakta hingduna leigani haibage thajaba lei aikhoi khudingmakna amata oina punduna university asida natana leibaga sigi mingchat purakna pokhona si haina mahakna makhata ke.
So if once our implementations will be growing up together, the community of the academics in the university and college as well as even from school also. So I hope our spirit of the NSS will remain continue forever. We need to promote, strengthen through our available of our community service from our sides and community service. So, NSS, from the view of the NSS as a new program coordinator, I'm looking forward. We will work together, each others. So to bring our pride in school and the college, university, even to our state, even to our nations. That's our duty. This much only I want to highlight to all of you.
Ngasigi thauram aduda NSS NIC Manipur Tembu University asigi Vice Chancellor na certificate khuchinaduna pukning thawatke loinana thauram aduda University asigi NSS cell gi website so Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA na launch tawke ngasigi thauram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor NAOREM LOKENDRA, NSS NER Guwahati ki Youth Officer Nokul Chandra Diori, NYKS Manipur ke State Director L Marjit Kumar amade, MU ki NSS Cell ki Program Coordinator Dr. Laishram Santosh na mathang sina Chief Guest of Honor amade President Oina Saruk yakhe.